Today you will find out how to stop your hiccups in just 60 seconds. This process is quick, easy, and you can do it anywhere. The first thing you need is find a place where you can be stationary. This can be through either sitting or standing. Next, with both hands, press the tip of your index finger against your thumb to form a circle. After you have done that, while keeping your fingers connected, take a deep breath and hold your breath as long as you can. After you stop holding your breath, your hiccups should be gone. If they aren't, repeat the steps for one more interval. Thanks for watching. For more practical tips and life advice, don't forget to subscribe to LifeCraft. See you in the next video.